Hey guys, back with another unboxing for you today. This is the Sony vlog monitor kit for the Sony Xperia Pro I phone. And from what I've seen and heard is that it only works with this phone. I just unboxed the grip and now I'm unboxing this, and then I need to get one of these for later on, so I'll do a video in the future of getting one of those sound mics. And then I even bought this from over through Amazon, so I can have a screen protector for it because I don't want to not have one. So let's get right into it. It shows you kind of the stuff that comes with it: the back piece, the monitor, and then of course the cord. As far as I know, is that you can't touch the thing, so it's just the screen. There is no touch functionality to it. And this I had to get through Amazon, which I was very surprised because I thought you can get this through Best Buy as well. Because I got the grip, I got a good chunk of the stuff through Best Buy, except for the phone itself. I got that through Amazon. So this and the phone itself I got through Amazon. Oh, and I guess that grip did come with a battery. It was just like one of the old watch batteries. So it tells you just instructions and then the cord. And then this is the grip, which is magnetic, which is kind of cool. Oh yeah, it's pretty hefty. It says Sony right there. This is where you put the vlog grip. So then you put this right here onto your phone, and then you put the vlog grip right there, or mainly the screen. And now for the main one. Wow, that's like super tiny. Crazy. And there it is. And there it is. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe, and I'll get to you in the next video. That was my unboxing of the vlog monitor for the Sony Xperia Pro I. Bye.